If the submarine had a catastrophic implosion, what was making the banging sounds they were tracking? Submarines, like any ship, have multiple subsystems with their own pressure vessels, spare breathing air tanks, pneumatic reservoirs. The one that counts is, ironically, the one that is both the largest and with the biggest pressure differential, the one with the people in it, trying to maintain an internal pressure comfortable for human survival, not the much higher pressures of gas storage or machine movement. That one goes first, killing all aboard. Pilotless, the vessel sinks until it reaches the crush depth of the other pressure vessels, some of which are inside the first one so were designed to hold pressure in, not out, which make bangs as they fail. When a submarine gets crushed by extreme pressure, it makes a lot of noises. For example, take a 2-liter empty soda bottle and listen to it while you slowly crush it with your hands. Imagine that multiplied by 1,000.